So, well, happy Friendship Day to all of you all. All of you all. What am I saying?
Hi guys!
Hi guys.
So welcome to our channel. This is our Dance Awards Friendship Day edition.
So today we are going to do something more than dance. We're going to celebrate our friendship, which is like more than 15 years. We can proudly say that we're more than sisters than friends. Yeah.
We would first like to start by thanking all of our subscribers and our well-wishers who have supported us through our journey, and they have helped us make our Dance Awards family bigger. You guys are the motivation to keep us going and express more through dance. So we are hoping that more from you. So please send us all the love and all the joy.
We love you all. So today we'll be playing a game called Who is Most Likely to? Well, we are such a cheaters that we were not able to frame the questions by ourselves.
Okay, so the questions was framed by one of our common friends, Agri. So she claims to know us better than we know us. So we have kind of these many questions. Nishita and me have separate questions. We don't know each other's questions. So we'll be picking out a chit and we'll be reading out the questions, and then we'll just show who is most likely to that scenario. So the answers can either be Nishita, Kirti or both. So let's begin.
This is my bowl of questions. Let's start. Wow. So, who is most likely to learn the dance steps quickly?
Between
Without
both
any
of
guesses?
us,
Yeah, without any guesses, pick it up.
I did.
Yeah.
Here.
Yeah.
All right, I'm going next.
She's very quick.
Okay. So my question is, oh my god, who is most likely to throw their phone in rage? I feel like I'm being targeted over here.
Yeah.
Where is my knife? Yeah, here it is.
She said
Have
it.
broken
Phone
n
दिया.
number of phones.
अगर कुछ गुस्सा उससे आ गया तो डायरेक्टली फोन मुंह पे ठाड़.
कितने फोन मैंने तोड़े हैं ऐसे? I think 2.
वो रेड कलर का फोन तो मुझे अभी भी याद है जो किसी को. Anyway, so let's go ahead. Who is most likely to get mad after losing a game?
Losing a game?
Yes.
I think both. No?
Do you remember the Ludo game?
Please, you cannot count that. Come on. I was being targeted over there. No. I don't agree to this. It's both.
She literally cried. मैं हार गई.
So not true. Who is most likely to be good at stalking or checking out? Yes, this is my answer.
Sure, I'll also do that.
What? I'll also do that. You have to tell what you feel, no? Tell your name.
No. मतलब कैसे अकेले नहीं करते अपन साथ में करते. It's Millie Julie Bhagat.
I agree.
Who is most likely to grab ice cream tub and chocolates when sad? Who, किसी? कौन है वो?
Looks like it, no? Most likely to bring home stray pets.
Where is the card? 1, 2, 3.
I love dogs.
कोई नंबर नहीं होगा कि कितने को लेकर आना है. कितने भी हो गए ना सारे उठा के ले आई थी.
True.
जब गोवा में हम गए थे तब तुम्हें एक courage.
I named him Courage.
Who is most likely to be dramatic?
I don't even have to count till 3. Let's just stick it here.
मेरे शादी में डांस करो. ये चोरी बड़ी क्वीन.
और भी है मेरे पास गाने. लिस्ट है मेरे. ठीक है. Okay. So next question. Who is most likely to fall asleep during ongoing session or event? Che- Sorry. You remember me
Practical
sleeping?
time पे
Exactly.
मैडम
I was
फर्स्ट
just
बेंच
going
पे
to
हम
say.
बैठे हैं and she is like निष्ठा बता देना मुझे अगर मैम आई. We are actually sitting at the first table.
I was so tired, yeah. I was dancing the whole night. You have to give me that.
Who is most likely to go on a solo backpack trip? You want to say something?
No, I don't want to. I don't want to give any explanations for that. Let's
मैडम
just
हमारी
let's just put it here and
अकेले
move on.
मूवी देखने भी जाती है. She enjoys her own company.
See, that's a
That's good. Good.
only
That's
child
okay.
syndrome. You know?
Yeah.
Woohoo! Who is most likely to start dancing on streets? Good one, huh? 1, 2, 3, go! No prizes for guessing this one.
Exactly.
Okay, you go. Your turn.
Okay. Who is most likely to go on a blind date?
Oh my god. 1,
Hello?
2, 3,
Three.
go. That was like a personal target to me, but then I'm going to let it go.
You can speak to Adrian about it later. I mean you.
Oh, all right. Okay. Who is most likely to be lucky with gambling? Any guesses?
Okay.
Any guesses? Any guesses? Any guesses? Gambling master, please explain yourself.
But I can say वो क्या कहते हैं, किस्मत का खेल था.
What the hell? But है ना? वही तो देखना है. You and me, you are most definitely.
Yeah. I mean, you know, remember? $10 में $10 में $70 मिले थे.
I know. Fun, right? Fun night.
Exactly. Okay. Who is most likely to behave like an investigator?
1, 2,
Who?
3, go.
3? No, I don't both.
No, please, Nisha, take it back. Take it back. And just your name.
No, it's both.
Come on. No, not at all. She the best private investigator you can ever hire. So people who are interested on stalking your boyfriends
Oh.
or girlfriends for that matter, please approach her.
ए, तू करती है?
मैं करती हूँ. तेरे जितना नहीं. Private investigator is a huge qualification. You have that quality in you. All
I
right.
got it from my mom.
Yes, you do. I agree.
Okay, who is most likely to go for adventure activities? Who? Kitty?
Adventure activity.
Yeah,
1,
who?
2, 3, go.
I mean, it's
I'm a
anybody
fattu.
does. Okay, exactly. She's a fattu, big time fattu.
I agree. I am a fattu. All
She
time
can
fattu.
cry. वो जो छोटा वाला giant मिला था ना, एकदम छोटा वाला जिसमें kids sit. She can cry sitting in that also.
So, I can. Who is most likely to say sorry first? You're making me sound like such an arrogant person.
Don't judge her. Don't judge her. She's sweet.
I know, right?
Who is most likely to blank out during a conversation?
Blank out. 1, 2, 3.
3, go!
Why are you not changing your answer? Change your answer.
No, no, let it be you.
No, change your answer. You are also likely to go blank. Alright? Just agree to it.
Okay.
Good.
What
Please,
is it?
I'll just keep your name ready for this one. You also do. I'll tell you. Who is most likely to be late to go anywhere? Pick your name. See, I told you you'll agree to this one. I told you. She has made us wait for
For this question.
3 hours. Just made us when we used to wait for a train to go to college. Remember?
3 hours.
You have done it, Nishta. We start with 5:57 straight in the morning, and we have went till 7:30 also. Okay? So 5:57 means when do you leave home? Huh? We have got 7:30, 8:05 train also once. 8:05 train. Ladies.
Why?
Yeah. You are
But like, I can't deny this. I can't deny the fact that I'm
Yeah.
always late. So you know, I
You
can't argue on this topic as well.
Good. You shouldn't.
So I must have done that.
Let's move on to the next question.
Yeah.
Who is most likely to participate in a fashion show? This is so easy. And 5, and 6, and 7, and go. You've already done it also, right? All right.
So we are done with all the questions, and that's it from us.
So hope you guys got to know us a little bit better than before.
And I hope you enjoyed it. Happy Friendship Day to all. Hope you have a best day. Sorry. It's 2020.
They'll just have video calls. There's no other option.
Yeah, that's 2020. Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Bye.